Hey there everyone, welcome to our InnovaHub platform overview. In this video, we will walk you through the basic functions and modules of our platform, giving you a clear idea of what's available and how it all works. If you'd like a deeper dive into specific features, don't worry, we got you covered. Check the InnovaHub Academy section in the platform and you will see step-by-step tutorials for each individual feature to help you master the platform. So let's get started. So the first thing, of course, login, user, password. User is always going to be your email and the network ID. If you have the custom access, you don't need the network ID, just email and password. So once you log in, you will see our homepage, which is right here. You will see the operations hub, which includes all the different lists for all different operations in your system. If you click on any of them, of course, you will see lists, filters, and everything you need to get the data that you're looking for. Then we have the BI Hub Operations module, which includes the standard dashboards and the custom dashboard. Remember, the standard one will display all the different operations. The custom one will only show you the specific dashboards that are built for your company. Then next up we have our Innova Service Hub, which is the place where you can get all of our professional services, from remote consulting packages, customization packages, education material packages. Also, you can request on-demand projects. Then you can book a remote consulting session. You can request a specific customization project or a software development one, right? Then next up we have our Resource Hub, which is going to include all our free content, including these tutorials in the InnovaHub app, which will include tutorials and release notes for you to be on top of all the new things that are happening at InnovaHub. And you have both English and Spanish content. Also, you will have the free Magaya Academy module, also in both languages, where you can train your teams or retrain your teams with a lot of valuable content for all different topics. Then you will have your specific resources for your company, meaning all the documentation, next steps, task tracking, and billing report specifically for the solutions that we have created for your own company. It's gonna be there. Then if you're a Magaya user, you will have the Hub Tools folder, which includes all the entities that come from your Magaya that help us keep track of everything that we sync in terms of entities, which are how we grant access to your clients or sub-clients to the platform. And then we have the import control module, which pretty much shows you everything that is coming to your Magaya via our integrations. If there's any piece of data coming from integrations and such, here's where you will find it. Then you will have your administration module, where you can configure all the different filters, tables, headers, everything that you see on every single list in the operations module. This is where you set it up. You select in the different columns the location, and then you have all the fields and dynamically custom fields as well. Then you will have your users module, which is where you will see all the users that belong to your company. Here, of course, you can search, create, delete, deactivate, change sub-entities access to your client and such. The inactive users module, where you just activate the users once you assign an entity to them. Then the shipment milestones configuration module, which is where you will keep track of every single event happening with the shipments, where you define what to do in what order to display them, and then a preview of how they would appear in the shipments module here. Then you have all your APIs connections. Remember, you can test here how all the Magaya API connectivity, but also you can configure all the other different APIs that we support from e-commerce platforms and such. The company settings menu, where you define all your colors, your imagery, the email configuration for sending out of Outlook or Google, the formatting of dates and decimal places, and then the API control where we record everything that's being created, making sure you don't exceed the API higher tier. You will have your client support folder, or rather form, and of course the logout option right there. Also, remember, you can always change your password clicking on the top drop down menu, profile, change password. It will ask you for the current one. Once you confirm it, then you can change for a new one. If you simply forgot it from the login screen, you can always forget password, enter your email, and you will receive instructions to your inbox. Okay, so that's everything about the global overview of the platform. Please stay tuned for more detailed tutorials on every single module. Thank you so much.